Hello guys, my name is Engineer Holiday. We want to solve problem on the triangle, and this triangle given to us is let's say if triangle ABC of side A, B, C has equal area and perimeter, yet 2 centimeter, 3 centimeter, and Z centimeter are length of tangent segment. Find Z. Now what we want to do here is first of all know what is the meaning of tangent segment. And tangent segment will be found when a circle is inscribed in a circle. The circle is inscribed in a triangle. Let's have a rough sketch of a triangle. This is a triangle. Now, if this is a triangle, this is a rough sketch, and this triangle we inscribe a circle in it. Let's say this is a circle inside the triangle. Now, this circle that we inscribe in it has to touch the what? This side, 1, 2, and 3. Those are what? From here to this place is tangent, or let's say this line is tangent, this line is tangent, and this line is tangent to the circle. So, and don't forget, from here to this point is an external point. Here is equal to this place. Here is equal to this place. Then here is equal to here. So these are tangent segments. Now, they say that what? The triangle is A, B, C, according to its structure. Now, let's say this side facing B is small letter B side, and this side facing C is small letter C, and this side facing what? BC facing A, small letter A. Now, I haven't done that. Now, the tangent segment for first tangent segment is 2 centimeters. I take any here to be 2 centimeters. If I take here to be 2 cm, the side facing A, that means the side that has A. Let's say this side has A. Okay, let's say 2 cm, anywhere can be accrued the tangent segment here, provided here is equal to this place. Here, then here is also what? Let's say 3 cm. Here is also 3 cm. Then if here is Z cm, here will not be what? Z cm. From here to this place, from here like this, is equal to this side like this. So please take note of that. Then from here to this place is equal to from here to this place. Then from here like this to this place is equal to from here to this place. So we now have a complete diagram. Now this is the center point of the circle. Now we want to find Z. That's what we are looking for. Now we have what we call Hero's formula, and that Hero's formula says that what? X equal to A plus B plus C all over 2. It now give us what? To find the area, the X parameter, to find the area, we now have what? X into like a what? X minus A, X minus B into bracket what? X minus C. So if you have that, now that is zero formula. That means the X, we calculate X is the average, or let's say total perimeter divided by 2. That is what X is all about. Then use it to subtract each of the length and then multiply by the what? By this X. Then take square root of everything to get the area. Now let us find X. Now S is now the what? Now don't forget our A is equal to this length A is a combination of 2 plus what? Z. From here to this place is 2, from here to here is Z. So now 2 plus Z is equal to A. Then B is equal to, what is our B? B is equal to what? Let's see. B will now be equal to 3. From here to here is 3. From here to here is 2. That means now what? 3 plus 2 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Then where can we now concentrate on now? We concentrate on C. From here, that means C will now be 3 plus what? Z. C is equals to what? 3 plus Z. So therefore S give us what? 2 plus Z plus 3 plus 2, which is 5, plus 3 plus Z, all divided by 2. So if you do that, 2 plus 3, 2 plus 5 plus 3 will give us what? 10. 10. So in that case, then Z plus Z will give us 2Z. They all divide by 2. Now, I haven't gotten that. We want to get our X now. You can believe that what? If you have A plus what? Plus B, all divided by C is equal as what? Or divided by 2 is equal as A over 2 plus B all divided by 2. So if we now do that, we're going to have it as what? Apply it to this one. We have 10 divided by 2 plus 2Z divided by 2. So what we have finally, we're going to have what? 5 plus what? Z. So our X is now what? 5 plus Z. So we are going to have what? 5 plus Z. Now, I haven't gotten that. Now, what I want to do now, we have gotten our X. Well, it's just for us to place our X into the area. So the area, using Hero's formula, the area of the what? Of the triangle is equal to square root of what? X is what? 5 plus Z, which is X. You substitute X, 5 plus Z, then plus, then in place of X, we are going to have what? 5 plus what? Z minus what? A. A is what? 2 into bracket plus Z, all bracket close. Then we have what? 5 plus Z again for this. Then minus B. B is what? 5. Then C is what? 5 plus Z minus into bracket 3 plus Z. So when we have that, what do you have? We have square root of what? 5 plus Z into bracket what? Then this one will give us what? Minus 2. 5 minus 3 is 3. Then Z minus Z, because minus times plus is minus, equals 3 into bracket what? 5 minus 5 is 0 plus Z is Z. Then 5 minus 3, this place is 3. There is minus, that fed the bracket. We give us 2. Z minus Z, because minus, this minus, we have fed this plus, which will now give us minus. So Z minus Z will give us what? So here will give us 2. So this is the area of perimeter, which is shaped as what? Square root of what? 5 plus Z multiplied by 3 times Z times 2 will give us 6Z. So that is the area. Now leave that one first. Let's say perimeter now. Perimeter, if you watch my previous video, I've defined perimeter. So just say the perimeter should be what? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. That means the total length. A plus B plus C. So perimeter is A plus B plus C. What is our A plus B plus C? A plus B plus C will give you 10 plus 2Z. Because if you check, if you add these together, the numerator, this one, it gives us 10 plus Z. That is it. So we don't need to begin to add this again when we have already gotten 10 plus Z when we added it. So this is what we are going to have. So now, the perimeter from the question, they say the triangle ABC of side ABC has equal area and perimeter. That is to say, from the statement, area equal to what? Perimeter. We don't need to show ski here because some of us, we like showing ski. You follow the instruction, then you get your answer straight up. Now, per area is equal to what? We have already solved our area. You understand me now? Is equals to what? What is perimeter? Perimeter is what? 10 plus what? 2z. Now, how do we eliminate this guy, this square root? Simply we'll just take square of both sides. Anytime square see square root, they always disappear. They are enemy. So in that case, this square we what? Optimize this. Yeah, optimize mean to cancel. So this one will not do what? We are going to have 5 plus what? Z into bracket what? 6z equal to what? If you want to open this square, open the bracket here, what do we do? Just use shortcut. Just use a shortcut. What do we do? So we are going to have what? Just open the bracket. We are going to have what? 100 plus this square, this one. 10 square is 100. 10 times 2z times 2, we have what? 40z. Then square 2z, we are going to have what? Square it, we have 4z square. 4z square. Then if you open the bracket of this one, what do we have? We are going to have it as what? 6z times 5 plus 30z plus what? 6z square is equals to what? 100 plus 40z plus 4z square. Now, what do we do now? I haven't gotten that now. What we are going to do is to what? Collect like terms and solve the equation. So when we collect like terms, what do we have? We want to have it as what? Let this one cross to this side. We have 6z square, 6z square minus 4z square is equals to what? Now, let this one move here. If this one move here, it becomes what? Minus 40z. The 30 minus 40z that is moving will give us what? Minus 10z. Okay, what are we to move now? Let's move this 100 to this other side. It now becomes what? Minus 100z equal to 0. So I believe this will is clear now. We have moved this plus what? Subtract both sides by what? Minus 4z square. You have this. This one will and then this one. Subtract what? Both sides by what? Minus 40. So I would have what? Minus 40 here, minus 40 here, z. I would have this. And I think we have what? We are on the right track. So this one have what? Minus 10z minus 100 equal to 0. So this one now, what we are going to do now, if we solve it quadratically, what we are going to have is that first of all multiply 2z squared times 100, we are going to have 200z squared. Now 200z squared, if you multiply, what are the two numbers you can add to give you minus 10? And you can multiply, it will give you what? Minus 200. So this one times this is minus 200 z squared. We are going to take what? Let's take minus 20 and minus 10z. So if you take these two now, you multiply this minus 10, 20 plus 10z rather. So if you take these two now, we do our multiplication, what we are going to have is what? 2z square is equal to what? Then let's replace this one, because if you add these two now, you are going to have minus 10. If you multiply these two, you are going to have what? Plus what? Minus 10z if you add it. So we are going to replace these two with this. We will have minus 20z plus 10z minus 100 equal to 0. So what do we have now? What we are going to have now is to factorize what is common on both sides. So if you factorize now, what we are going to have now is what? What is common is 2z. So 2z squared divided by 2z, we have z minus 20z divided by 2z, we have what? 10. Then plus, what is common in between what? 10z and what? Minus 100. What is common is what? 10. So let's take 10 out. Then what will remain now is what? What is remaining now is, if I take 10 out, now this one now gives us what? Z minus what? Minus 10 is equal to 0. So I think we're on the right track. So this one will now give us what? 2z. Don't forget that 10z divided by 10 is z. Then minus 100 divided by 10 is minus 10. That's how we get that. What is common on both sides is what? What is common on both sides is z minus 10. Then into bracket what? What if you remove 10 minus z here? What do you have? Remove 10 minus z on both sides as a common factor. Now this one will now remain 2z plus what? What do we have there? 2z what? Plus 10 equal to 0. So if you solve these two now, basically if you solve it, now, what we want to have is that I want to have what? Z minus 10 equal to 0, which is first answer, or 2z plus 10 equal to 0. So what do we have now? Don't forget we cannot have negative at the answer. Please click the like button and share this video for other people to see. Those of you that have solved this question, we will send you, just send me DM. We'll send your money to you. And please always follow me so that you can always get information about any question we drop. To engage our brain, and also to make sure that we also learn from each other. So I believe these particular questions that we are dropping will enhance your brain, make you think, and also help you. Especially those of you also that are mathematics teachers, those are students, and also those are interested mathematics friends, they can also engage this page to make sure that we do things together. Thank you. God bless you. Now, please just like, if you are watching on YouTube, share the notification button. Click the notification button and share it with other groups and other students in other schools. And also, you can also subscribe to this channel if you are watching on YouTube. My YouTube channel is what? Engineer Holiday. There is no space, don't put space there. Just type it, you'll see a young man, wearing a blue suit. That's me. And you subscribe. Now let's go. So this one will have what? Z equal to what? If you take this one, making Z solve the formula by adding 10 on both sides, then we would have Z equal to 10. Or what we are going to have here now is that now we are going to have it, take this 10 to the other side, have 2Z equal to minus 10. Divide both sides by 2. So Z equal to what? Minus 5. But unfortunately, Z can never be what? Can never be negative. Unfortunately, Z can never be negative. So since Z can never be negative, it means that we can neglect or negate what that particular Z and say Z equal to what? 10 cm. So if you want to check, you can always check by putting the 10 here and see whether what, or put the 10 here, put 10 here. 10 times 2 is what? 20 plus 10 is what? 30 cm. Then you can also check with the perimeter. Put 10 here. This one, 10 plus 5 is 15. Then 10 here. 10 times 2 is 20. Plus times 3 is what? 60. 60 times 15 is what? About 900. The 900. Yes, 900. And square root of 900 is 30. You see that the two sides are equal. So that means the 10th answer you have chosen is what? Is correct. So you cannot have negative centimeter because you are looking for length. In physics, we say that is scalar quantity. So it can never be negative. So please, God bless you. For those of you that have solved the video, that have solved the question, we go along with you. Thank you.